The Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's new top-of-the-line phone, there's a lot to understand. From new camera technologies, under the screen, to better batteries. The tech community is talking a lot about the possibility that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a UGC camera under the screen. This technology offers a display experience without any gaps or notch. Reports say that Samsung is testing advanced EUC technology for the S26 Ultra in order to improve picture quality and get rid of the need for camera cutouts that can be seen. Aside from the front-facing camera, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to have big improvements coming to its back camera system. There are rumors that a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens will be released, which would improve zooming and picture quality overall. Even though the Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to have great new features, it's important to be cautiously optimistic about these rumors. As things move forward, more specific details will become available. Even though smartphone technology is always changing, battery life is still one of the most important things for people all over the world. Recently, people have been talking a lot about Samsung's future flagship phone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and what battery improvements it might have. Early stories were exciting because they said Samsung might use silicon carbon battery technology in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This new technology guaranteed battery capacities of 6,000 mAh to 7,000 mAh, which is a big jump from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery. There were earlier rumors that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would have a battery capacity of less than 6,000 mAh. However, close sources have denied these claims. It is said that the device will have a 5,500 mAh battery, which is only a 10% rise over the previous model. It's good that things are getting better, but this improvement isn't as big of a deal as was first thought. At this point, most people think that the Galaxy S26 Ultra with a 5,500 mAh battery is the best option. This model's capacity is a little better than the last one, but it's not the big step forward that early reports said it would be. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.